My little man's loose. Look at there. Oh yeah. All right. No, I'm good. I like for bugs to fly around me and bite me and piss me off.
Makes you fly back.
Makes me stay alert.
Right.
Bug spray.
I think I'm gonna take my turbo camera up. You wanna film it?
You gonna do it now?
Well, unless you wanna take it up now?
Yeah, I was gonna go ahead and do mine and get it out of the way. So I can film yours, yep. I'm gonna go ahead and get mine out of the way so I can do yours and Aaron's. All right, y'all, I got the 182. You
all right.
Are you filming me?
I'm filming you.
I got the 182. Doing the GoPro too, so ain't flown this in a while. I've been working on it. Tell you a little backstory on that thing. The ESC I think we just decided that it was the ESC that was bad in it.
Yeah,
You remember when it wouldn't take off the other week? Didn't have the power? The ESC was bad in it.
Yeah.
So
replace the ESC and it sounds much better.
yep. It got the power now.
Got power.
It's got power. Down here in the south, that's what we call it, needed a motor.
Armed.
Give me one click of slap.
Flaps down.
182. Flight mode 1.
Takeoff.
Good scale takeoff, King.
Flaps up.
Whoa, yeah.
Sounds good.
I need some more, it's got too much down elevator. Running about 50% throttle. So want to roll a little bit to the left, that's fine. I'm good with that.
I told you, man, that's a good flyer right there.
Yeah, it's rolling just a hair to the left. That's fine. I can deal with that. Low and slow for the camera.
For the viewer.
For the viewers.
For the pleasure of the viewer.
Running Admiral 2600, 3S in it. I did have to replace the ESC and I would have done the motor as well. We didn't know which one it was. It didn't have the power, so we replaced.
Replace the motor, there was no change.
Yeah, there was no change in the motor replacement. And I ordered both motor and ESC from, what is that, Hobby Zone?
Banana Hobby.
Banana Hobby, that's it, where the Blitzworks come from. And it took about a week. But we changed the motor out and it didn't make a change in the sound, the pitch, or the power. I mean, you can obviously tell by the pitch. So we went ahead and replaced the ESC and boom, there it was. The ESC was bad.
It's so fine.
Yeah, she's flying pretty good. She's running, she's leaning to the left just a hair, but
Straighten it up.
I kind of like that, to be honest with you. I don't have to turn it as hard. I'm racetracking it. It's got that yaw to it.
Trim center.
Got a minute, about a minute left. I'm gonna put it on the flow. Put it on the ground.
Take it up a little bit and check your flaps out, see if it balloons on you.
All right.
Flaps down.
Oh yeah.
Flaps down. Flaps
Oh yeah.
up.
It balloons terribly.
Did you put any elevator
30
mix in it?
seconds.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of mix in it.
It ain't got enough.
No. That's all right. I'll slow her down and get her down.
20 seconds.
All right. I'm gonna try to land her.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed.
All right. Let's see what we can do with her. Oh, in the grass. Hey. I know it. I seen it going to the ground. Oh. That's all right. It didn't hurt nothing. She's a tough little bird. I'm gonna see what the battery is. I may try to redeem myself on that one. See what the battery life is in it. %.
How much?
52.
Shit.
That was 6.5 minutes.
You fly that thing 7-8 minutes.
Yep. 2600 Admiral. 52% on a 6-minute flight. Not bad.
You gonna take it back up?
Nah, I might before we leave, but we'll just leave. We'll leave it there for the time being. I'm gonna put her in the hangar.
Flaps down. Flaps up.
Oh.
Trim center. Trim center.
Hey, that's no problem. That's part of new airplanes. We don't have any specs to do that. I need more further.
182.
It was starting to come up. Yeah, it went up. Yeah. everything flies good, don't it, Keith?
Yeah, it's doing good. I need a little bit more elevator in it, but that's fine. I mean, just to give it lift. I likes it a lot. The 182 Blitz works. I'm gonna try. That's a little better. That's a little better. A little bouncy, but I'll take it. A little bouncy. Little bouncy wouncy. So that battery had 52% left on it, so I'm gonna see what the battery life is on it now. I may take the other battery and I'm just trying to wear these batteries down. Don't take all day and a week to discharge them. So I got one more I can do.
Engine off.
You gonna do it in the,
No, I ain't doing that because the gear's messed up on it.
oh, that's right.
Let me see.
Everybody that's got that King twin key
Uh-huh.
is taking that nose gear and pulling it out and buying the ME262 nose gear and putting in it. It solves the problem.
So I went another 4.5 minutes. And I still got 30% on that battery.
Yeah. So you went, what, close to 10 minutes?
8 plus. All right, this one's got 58% in it, so I can go another 3 minutes. Why not?
You feel better about flying it up there. We'll move it up there. We ain't got to stand outside this morning. I did want to get a film of that F-18 flying.
All right, let's do this. We're trying to burn this battery off. I am going to give it some more throws though in the, I got 70% in that mug. All right, I'm gonna leave it there.
Armed. Flaps down. Flaps up.
Just trying to burn this battery off. Make a couple passes with it. This is the Blitzwork 182. This is the one I've crashed it actually a couple of times and it flies good. I had to do some adjustments on it. This is the one I had to change the battery, I mean the ESC, and I went ahead and changed the motor out in it too. So I can tell that wind's picking up. I'm going into it right there, so. All right, I'm just trying to see what I can do.
Flaps down. Flaps up.
Ah! Hey! Now what'd you want to flip over for? Alright,
Engine
that's it.
off.
She's good. Almost dropped her, but she's good. 182, I like it. My little man's loose, look at there. Oh yeah!